Hey guys, Aaron Johnson with Action Water Sports. We are here with Bryan Holland of Cobalt Boats. We're going to take a look at the brand new Cobalt A29. Bryan, take it away, buddy.
Thank you. We are super excited about the all-new 2020 A29. It's our next generation of modernists with Cobalt boats. So we are super excited to show you the A29. We're going to start at the back, work our way to the front. So back here we have our Cobalt flip down step. Cobalt is known for our flip down step, very easy. You'll pull the pin, flip it up, flip it back down in the water. What's really nice with the A29, we have an optional hydraulic swim platform. So with the hydraulic swim platform, you'll raise and lower it by the switches right here. The entire swim platform goes down in the water about a foot, and then your flip down step is even lower than that. So it's easy to get in and out of the boat with not having a ladder. So next we're going to come around here. Another great option on the A29 is this back part where you have the optional splash and stow locker. This particular boat does not have the splash and stow, but what the splash and stow is, it's a mat system that is electric, that rolls out, has a built-in inflator that will inflate and deflate your raft. Once you're done, you push the button, you roll it back in, and you close your lid, and it's done. So it's a very nice option that we put in the A29. One thing that you'll notice on the A29 compared to the other Cobalts is we've modernized a lot of things, from our cleats, our handrails, nice flat modern design with a built-in ski tow. So a lot of people ask, can you do water sports with the A29? Absolutely. Pull tubes from back here, wakeboard, water ski, knee board. It is a great day boat for the whole entire family. What sells Cobalt other than the quality and the brand recognition of Cobalt is this nice lounger area. One thing that we do is we have the nice flip down seat right here that you can lay back. You take your backrest, you flip it back, you're able to lounge. You have your stereo remote over here, plenty of cup holders. One thing that you'll notice is what we do at Cobalt is we cover up our speakers so you do not see the speaker grill. Nice automotive style, high-end look. This particular interior is new, and this is the Harbor Gray with dark slate. Beautiful color, beautiful rich color. So the lounger area is very nice. Nice walk through. Again, right here you have your switches for your platform, and if you get the optional splash and stow, this is where your switches will go to inflate and deflate your raft. So as we come on in the boat here, one thing that Cobalt really does is we maximize the beam. We are a lot wider interior than most boats. So if you take and you measure from here to here, Cobalt is a lot wider. Now this boat is 29 feet long with a 9-foot beam, so it's nice and beamy. Plenty of room, it's yacht certified, so as long as you have enough life jackets for everybody on the boat, you're good to go. This area right here has the optional sink with the refrigerator. Very nice for days, put your beverages in here. If you do not want the sink, it comes standard with a seat here that opens up with a removable cooler, which is very nice. As you come around inside the boat, very nice storage, very deep. On your side panel right here is where your battery switch, all your switches and everything are. Nice matting down inside, and it's all finished out with our new fiberglass grid system, the first that Cobalt has done. One thing that boaters like are cup holders. We have 18 cup holders and 12 USB plug-ins throughout the boat. So we're over here at the captain's helm. This is an all-new design as we designed in the A29. Has dual Garmin screens. 10-inch screens are standard, and then you can upgrade to the 12-inch Garmin screens. Very nice laid out, nice high-end two-tone steering wheel. So we have a lot of different choices of interior colors. As I stated, the Harbor Gray, everything matches. So if you were to go with the brown interiors or even a navy interior, we have color match steering wheels that accent throughout the boat. As we come over on this side, you have your flip seat for your co-captain. You can lounge either way, flip this back, or they can ride forward. So when you look at the overall interior length, plenty of room for all your family and friends to enjoy the A29. Now there are several different options as far as tops go. This particular boat has the Bimini top. We also offer a fiberglass hard top, and we offer a folding arch. The arch, you can also get a rotating sunshade on it. So we have a lot of different options for tops, or you can go without a top. As we come up over in here for your passenger, built-in phone charger. You're going to lay your phone here, charges it. Nice little glove box here. Put your goods in. Over on this side is our nice day head. So what's nice about the day head, a lot of different options for porta potties. You can do the removable porta potty, the pump out, or the porcelain head. You can get an optional sink down in the head compartment here, and you can also put the filler cushions if you want to make a bed area down in the compartment. The other really good thing is we offer an optional heating and air conditioning system that is like a car. So when the boat's running, it has heating and cooling for the cabin and for your driver. So a lot of people have asked, why did you put the walkthrough over on the port side? The reason why we did that is to utilize more of an oversized head, as I just showed. So as you come up through the bow area, very nice. It has a nice windscreen that you can close. Close your windshield. That way your passenger does not feel the air if it gets a little chilly. As you come up in here, up in the bow area, it's a nice open bow, plenty of seating with an optional table, the teak table. Nice hand rest that come down for both passengers up front. You also have a lot of storage, floor storage and storage under all your seats up front. Then you could go with the optional windlass. If you go without the windlass, plenty of room for your anchor. As I stated earlier, the modern design of our stainless steel rails, nice, flat, a little more modern than what Cobalt has been in the past. So here you have the all-new Cobalt A29, the new modern look of the next generation. We're super excited and excited for you guys to see it.
All right, guys, thank you again for joining us. This has been Aaron Johnson and Bryan Holland. We've just talked about the brand new Cobalt A29. If you want to find out more information, please visit actionwater.com, or you can visit your local Action Water Sports in Hudsonville or Traverse City.
And please make sure to go to cobaltboats.com, go to Design Your Dream, and spec your A29 out. Thanks again for watching.
Thank you, guys.